Hello everyone and welcome to Python programming course. This is a comprehensive Python programming course covering from basic to advanced level. My name is Pramod and I am a founder of Jupiter Vidya IT Training Institute. I am a professional trainer and worked in IT industry for a long time. I trained over thousands of students. Programming is my passion and for last 15 years I am programming. I worked on different programming languages like Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP. This course is designed for everyone. Even non-technical person can enroll and start learning. All the examples in this course are easy to understand. You will learn how to solve real-world problems using Python. Your logics will definitely improve after completing this course, and you will be able to automate the time-consuming and boring task. After completing this course, you will be in a position to explore Python yourself. This course is very useful for the students who are looking for their career in data science, artificial intelligence, software development, or even for marketing people. This is the first and major step towards becoming an expert in Python programming. What you will learn? So you will learn the basics of programming like loops, conditional statements, data structures, modules and packages, file handling, exception handling, object-oriented programming, the most important concept, then regular expression, even a database concepts, web scraping, all the built-in libraries. Now, who can take this course? Python can be learned as a first programming language. You don't need any programming language background. So, if you are a non-technical student, you can definitely enroll in this course. Moreover, the course is designed in such a way that it covers from scratch to advanced level, step by step. So that's the reason the course name is Step by Step, Learn Python Step by Step. Now, professional programmers who are interested in learning Python can also join this course. If you know any language, it will definitely help you. So anyone who is interested in learning Python programming can definitely enroll this course and start learning this Python programming. And you will see the power of Python, how we can use this in real world. So enroll now and start learning this amazing programming language.